Hello everyone. Over the years, I've had the privilege of working with professionals from banking, insurance, pharmaceuticals, government organizations, manufacturing and many other industries. And there's one pattern I have seen repeatedly. A company has an outstanding employee, they're technically brilliant, they're delivering the results, they're reliable. In short, they know their job inside out. And naturally, they get promoted because of their performance and everyone in the organization celebrates. But then something unexpected happens. 6 months later, the same high performer is seen to be struggling. Not because they've forgotten their technical skills, but because their job has completely changed. You see, most organizations, they promote people because of what they achieved as individuals. But once they are promoted, they are no longer paid to be the best individual contributor. They're expected to help others succeed. And those are two completely different jobs. Think about it as an individual contributor yourself. Your focus is on your own performance, your targets, your deadlines, your deliverables. But once you get promoted as a manager, as a leader, your success is measured differently. Your success now depends on your team's performance. And that's where many people struggle because nobody taught them how to make that transition. And suddenly you have to start delegating, you need to start coaching, you need to motivate people, you need to start handling conflict, you need to give feedback, most importantly, have difficult conversations and manage different personalities. You need to build trust. And here's the most interesting part. None of these skills are usually taught when you earn your degree. I have met exceptional engineers who struggle to lead teams. I have worked with highly experienced bankers who found performance management and conversations uncomfortable. I've trained managers who were brilliant technically but avoided giving feedback because they didn't want to upset anyone. Now, this isn't an issue about intelligence. The issue isn't capability. The issue is preparation. Organizations are often preparing people for the next technical challenge, but they don't prepare the people for the next leadership challenge. One question that I often ask people who get promoted: what changed after your promotion? And most people immediately talk about more meetings, more emails, more responsibility, but very few of them realize the biggest change. Before your promotion, your value came from solving problems yourself. And after your promotion, your value comes from helping others solve the problems. Now that's a completely different mindset. Great leaders don't create followers. They create more capable people. And that requires patience. That requires listening. That requires coaching. That requires building trust. And yes, sometimes having uncomfortable conversations. So if you've recently been promoted, I have a piece of advice for you. Don't assume your technical success will automatically translate into your leadership success. Rather, I recommend each one of you to invest in learning leadership just as seriously as you invested in learning your profession. Read, find mentors, attend workshops, ask for feedback, observe great leaders, because leadership, like any other profession, can be learned. And organizations have a responsibility too. Promoting someone isn't enough. Supporting them through that transition is equally important. The best organizations don't just develop technical experts, rather they develop leaders. Remember, great organizations are built by great leaders, and great leaders are built through continuous learning. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever seen someone excel in their technical role but struggle after becoming a manager? Or perhaps you have experienced that transition yourself? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Do remember to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until then, goodbye.